Why is water not running in the bedroom now? What is going on? Where is Igwe? How can there not be water in the bedroom?
What's happening?
Not even water is not running in the bedroom. Where is your father?
You don't need my father. I can help you put water in the bucket. That's if you want to. That's if you want. Me, it's not like I'm doing it because I want to do it. I can help you put water in the bucket so that you can have your bath.
Go and help me.
Say please, Kwano. Please, for once in your life.
Jennifer, if you want to help me, help me.
Come and take water.
Igwe! Jesus Christ! Igwe! No! Jesus Christ! Jesus! Igwe!
My own angel and my sunshine.
My daddy and my mentor. How are you?
Well, as long as you're very close to me, as long as I have you, I will always any day, any time.
And as long as I have you and you're close to me, no fear.
Thank you, the special replica of my late wife. So how did your day go today?
My day was fine. A little bit stressful. But I was missing you, so I had to hurry back home.
Thank you. Should I have named you Gift?
Oh.
And that's a very wonderful gift. In any case.
Yes. So, Daddy, did you have any business meetings today?
Oh yes, I did. I had one business meeting with one of my partners. The business deal we wanted to close, and we have closed it.
And you must be hungry. So, you know what? Let me just go upstairs, freshen up, and prepare us lunch.
How do you see through my mind this way?
Of course, I'm your daughter. I should read your mind every time. I'm coming, okay? Just give me a minute. Just give me a few minutes and I'll be done.
Oh God, I thank you for this gift. This wonderful gift of a child.
Baby, me, I'm not so interested in men that are not hardworking and up and doing. Because I don't want to be tied to the apron of a broke guy.
Babe, that's why we work hard. So that we can always keep our heads up.
Well, for me, as you know, it is not about hard work on my own side. It is on the side of the guy who would want me. Yeah, you have to be up and doing for my sake.
Let's go. Hey! Sharp babe. Babe, nothing do you at all, oh.
The economy of the country has turned everybody to a gold digger. If you not shine your eye, you go lose big time. I dey tell you.
But babe, you're right though. You're right. But then as for me, I prefer to hold my own, you know, to avoid being at the receiving end. I don't like being at the receiving end. You know me now. I prefer to work my comfort.
Oh well. Different strokes for different folks. So sorry that I've not offered you anything since you came. I'm sorry. What would you like to have, Your Majesty?
What the hell? He's not asking me. What can you afford?
Yeah. I better come inside. Let me offer you what I have.
Sharp babe.
You can say that again. You earn me.
dare you.
Wait, hey,
You can't
I
win.
can show you.
See this one.
See, I will show you that I can sustain it. If I
That I
sustain
know.
How? Have you ever seen me do it before?
Like,
You have never
what are
seen me
you
do it
saying?
before, so
What are
you
you
cannot
saying?
tell me.
Both of you, come back here this minute. Right now.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
Oh. So, both of you can greet. Yet you just walked past me and did not even greet me as if nobody was standing here. Right?
Excuse me, ma. What are you talking about?
Really?
I wonder, hey, madam, you know us from nowhere and you haven't met us before.
Does not knowing you remove the fact that small children like you are supposed to greet an adult when you see one? Does it?
Mama, you called us back and we greeted you.
Exactly, we greeted you. Ma, please, I have the orientation that doesn't permit me to talk to strangers, especially on the road. Ow! Jesus!
You are very stupid. Who do you think you're talking to like that? Who?
Madam,
If you do not shut up right now, I will slap you. Listen, go and ask about me. Ask about Gloria Michael. So you know me, I do not tolerate nonsense from anybody. Do you understand?
But what did I do to deserve this slap? I greeted you. What did I do wrong?
Mother's an assault on her person.
It was not an assault. It was me teaching her a lesson because I'm quite sure her mother never trained her very well. Now, before I open my eyes, you both have disappeared from my sight right now. Get out! Get out!
Jenny, let's go. It's God that will judge you.
If I spoil you my shoe now, eh?
I don't understand, but we greeted her, didn't we?
What are you doing?
I didn't even know somebody was there when I passed.
My angel. Sit down. You're not looking bright at all. What's the problem?
I was insulted and assaulted by a lady I've never met before yesterday. Because I didn't greet her, she slapped me.
Slapped you?
Yes, yesterday.
Why didn't you let me know about this? So, if I hadn't asked you anything, I wouldn't have known.
I dare you.
Wait, hey,
You can't
I
do
can
anything.
show you.
See this one.
See, I will show you that I can sustain it. If I
That I
sustain
know.
How? Have you ever seen me do it before?
Like,
You have never
what
seen
are
me
you
do it
saying?
before, so
What are
you
you
cannot
saying?
tell me.
Both of you, come back here this minute. Right now.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
Oh. So, both of you can greet. Yet you just walked past me and did not even greet me as if nobody was standing here. Right?
Excuse me, ma. What are you talking about?
Really?
I wonder, hey, madam, you know us from nowhere and you haven't met us before.
Does not knowing you remove the fact that small children like you are supposed to greet an adult when you see one? Does it?
Mama, you called us back and we greeted you.
Exactly, we greeted you. Ma, please, I have the orientation that doesn't permit me to talk to strangers, especially on the road. Ow! Jesus!
Mama, why would you slap her now?
Have you seen or have you met this lady before?
I've never seen her before. Yesterday was my first day of seeing her.
And she attacked you?
Just like that.
Anyway, my dear, my angel, don't worry. I don't like anything to bother you at all. You see, this country is full of things. A bundle of, or a keg of gunpowder, of frustration. A lot of people have, particularly those ladies that are going out of marriage market. You see, they move around looking for victims where they can vent their spleen on. The thing is that you are fortunate and so unlucky that you are the person that comes across her and she decides to vent her spleen on you. Never mind about them. It is a country that is frustrating almost everybody. Okay?
Daddy, I understand now. Because I was asking myself how a lady I met just yesterday
It is strange.
see me on the road and slap me. Why? Because I didn't greet her.
Because, you see, my point, that's what I have been saying. A lot of people, it is inside them, that frustration, that anger is inside them. And they try to see if there's any if you touch them, if you had even spoken to her, it would have been worse. Honestly, because they are like that. They don't let that disturb you. I am here for you. Eh?
Yes.
So you don't have to fear anybody.
No fear.
But always tell me if you encounter this kind of thing next time, let me be the first to know. Okay? That's my angel.
Okay.
You know what?
What?
Go inside and rest.
Okay.
Have a night, watch television or anything you want. Or better still,
Okay.
call Penny your friend.
Thank you, Daddy.
Let her keep you company. That's my angel.
I'm coming. Let me come in.
All right. Why? Oh, my late wife. But why? Why would anybody harass my daughter? For what?
Patoski Inana, the hottest baby in town. Come on, come on.
Let's go, the glow queen herself.
How far now?
I'm good, as you can see.
Baby, you're looking so hot this afternoon. Though.
Thank you.
I love your dress. Dash me now.
You're not gonna size you anyway. Baby, you suppose know how far now. Now market we carry the waka. Yes, if you not package well, them no go see you.
Abby, they not gonna see you. We haven't seen for a while now since the last time we spoke.
That's right.
Some certain girls actually planned to ruin my day the other day.
They smoke?
I don't know. I didn't care if they smoked or not. I was on my own. Actually, in one of my worst moods, waiting for a ride. These small girls now walked past me without greeting me. A whole me, Glosko. I poured out my anger on them.
Babe, please, who got you angry before you stumbled on those girls?
Who else? Chris. I went to see him and he got me really upset.
You and this Chris again. That's, I've been telling you. This thing you're doing with Chris, no add up. I think it's time you begin to rethink of your relationship with him. Look at how you poured your angry venom on those innocent girls. By the way, what were their reactions?
Ma, please, I have the orientation that doesn't permit me to talk to strangers, especially on the road.
Ow! Jesus!
Mama, why would you slap her now?
You are very stupid. Who do you think you're talking to like that? Who?
If you do not shut up right now, I will slap you. Listen, go and ask about me. Ask about Glory Michael. So you know me, I do not tolerate nonsense from anybody. Do you understand?
But what did I do to deserve this slap? I greeted you. What did I do wrong?
Mother's an assault on her person. It was not an assault. It was me teaching her a lesson because I'm quite sure her mother never trained her very well. Now, before I open my eyes, you both have disappeared from my sight right now. Get out! Get out!
Jenny, let's go. It's God that will judge you.
If I spoil you my shoe now,
Babe, you were so hard on those innocent girls. As if they were the reasons for your fallout with your bobo.
Babe, don't blame me, alright? I was so pissed by Chris's actions that even if it was just a grasshopper that flew past my head like this that day, I would have crushed it to death.
But do you know those girls?
Never seen them in my life.
You see that thing I've been telling you? You see that thing I've been telling you? Eh? You too dey hot. Eh? This your hot temper is too much. Babe, be calming down now. Be calming down small.
Abegi, let's leave that one. Tell me the truth. Where you dey go, this girl? Where are you going? You are too gushed up. Where are you going to? Eh?
Babe, na your house I come, oh. Na your house. Where else? Eh? You know, say if you know package this way, you know if you impress your admirers. I got to impress them now.
Okay.
I got to impress my admirers.
So your admirers stay in my house.
Look at this one. I will come on here.
Daddy, I can see that this food is entering your medulla.
Are you guessing? You know you're too good. Whenever you enter the kitchen, I always have hope. Did you notice I normally don't go outside to eat? I must go back to the house. Because my daughter cooks like my late wife, which makes me lose interest in outside kitchen. So, the food is fantastic.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
JDJ. JDJ.
Daddy. I know that style of calling. What is it?
What do you mean that style of calling?
When you call me JDJ, there's something.
Are you saying I cannot hail my daughter again or praise you? It's because of your food.
That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying whenever you call me like that, there's always something attached to it. Maybe you want to tell me something. There's something going on.
You're wrong this time. I was just trying to hail you because your food is good.
Daddy. Daddy.
Okay. That is something.
I said it. So what is it?
You know, since your mother's demise, I have been, a little bit lonely. Even though you make sure that I don't feel lonely in this house, that I can give to you. But then, I started thinking about you. You need somebody like a mother figure to come and say there's a be your stepmother, guide you when I'm not around and all that. And I, on my own part, we need a woman to stay with. You know, when I lost your mother, I nearly lost my consciousness. And I have been lying fallow since that time. And you know, I married your mother when I am almost passing marriage markets. So I married late in my life. And I don't want to create that gap again. I want to place happiness. So I want to get a woman into this place.
Okay.
That will take care of you. That the two of us can bond together with. Take care of you, take care of me. And so that at least I don't feel, and I'm going to promise you, it's going to be a fantastic woman. I'll make sure of that.
So, Daddy, I've heard everything you said, and I approve of you to get
Oh, thank you!
So I just hope, like you said, the woman will be a very fantastic woman.
Any woman who comes into this and jokes with you, I'm going to fight.
Daddy, don't say it like that. Amen. Amen.
That's my daughter. I know you're not demanding me that.
To have two masters is to have none at all. You just give them half, you don't give them your all. It's like between the devil and the deep blue sea. Oh, you could face fire, you could face something worse. You might just get hurt or get stuck in the mud. It's like between the devil and the deep blue sea.
It was a long walk.
Oh, God.
Oh, yes. Now that we are settled, yeah,
Please, can you tell me what has been making you this excited about your dad?
Oh, yeah, seriously, you don't know how happy I am right now.
Are you serious? Oh, I know you're happy, okay? But how happy you are, I don't know. So
Don't
can you
worry,
please share?
I will give it to you. I'll tell you how happy I am.
No.
So my dad confided in me.
Okay.
And
Stop it
wait,
now.
I have to keep the suspense going. I can't break out the news like that. Calm down. So he told me something. He told me that he's ready to get another wife.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm so happy you're going to have a stepmom.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Like, my dad needs to rest from responsibilities, especially the ones that has to do with housekeeping. And he has been trying, but I need motherly care.
I
Put out
know,
for
I
me
know.
as a child.
I know. I pray he gets a good woman that will take care of both of
I
you.
pray so too. And I can't wait to see the woman that gets my dad's interest. I mean, gets Mazigwe's interest. The father of the one and only JENIFER Igwe. You know what that name is? Big name.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
God, I'm so happy.
Thank you so much.
I think I'm hungry right now.
See, let's go and make food.
Madam, phone free.
Hey, Umasa. Let's go, baby. What did I take with you?
I don't even know.
Love you, hot.
So you did fine.
Abby, when did you come back from your travel?
My dear, yesterday, I'm tired. I'm exhausted.
Hey.
You know, go bring seat for us. Have you ever seen us finish? This babe, when will you end this your bad manners?
Sorry, she won't beat me.
I don't know where she go learn better manners.
No vex, I beg. No vex. Forgive me, Forgive this my bad manners. I beg. Sit down. Tabingwa International.
Yes, babe.
You said now you supposed to go inside, go bring chair.
Yes,
now, but
I said I live here with you.
I just ran out for you.
I don't blame you, John. Hey, now you be Daniel Lahore. Don't give me seat before me now.
I beg you.
Hey, guys, this is supposed to check and lie. Just got the pain.
My dear.
Baby, I like your.
So, Daddy, you've not given us any reports. Me, specifically.
And what?
On the food now.
JENIFER, your phone. So I must give you reports. Each time we eat.
Yes.
You know what the answer will be. You know you are a fantastic cook. So
You need to repeat it. I just have to.
you want me
hear
to
it.
be repeating
Yes,
it? Okay.
Yes.
My dear daughter, your food is splendid, fantastic, fantabulous, delicious, vivacious, anything.
Daddy.
Can continue?
No. You've gone beyond my expectations. Please don't continue.
You see? And that is the more reason why I want to bring another woman to the house. At least I can help you do some of these domestic chores. I mean, domestic work or household chores. And then be able to help you in the cooking because nobody teaches you how to cook again. Rather, you will teach other people how to cook. So,
Please, Daddy, stop talking about it and go ahead with the decision. I'm waiting patiently.
you want me? You're so much in support of it.
Yes. Benny, what do you think?
Support them, sir.
Oh, I'm blessed. Don't worry. I'll think of them. In fact, give me 1, 2, 3. Don't worry. Let me not reveal it to you.
Madam Wagi.
Daddy, how are you?
I didn't come back to the bar. I'm just hungry the wires for this country.
My dear, that is what everybody is suffering now. It's not easy at all.
Not true, but I get people where they suffer and pass.
What you talk not true, but God will help us.
Amen. The way you say me, you can't see us today. I hope everything they all right.
My dear, no shaking. It's been a long while I saw my brother. I said make I can't check them today. You don't pay.
You do well. You do well. I got there inside with Jenny.
Abi?
Yeah.
No problem. Let me go and see them.
No, bring something for your boy.
If I'm coming next time, I will bring.
They try.
Yeah?
They try. I mean, be here.
There's a chance of let them be.
Jenny, your auntie is here to see us. Is around.
Greetings, brother.
Thank you, my dear sister.
How are you?
Ele.
Brother, you're not looking bad at all. Hey?
Well, by the grace of God. You, look at you. You're looking like a 25-year-old girl. Eh?
Age, they say, is in the mind.
I agree. Dakadia.
Auntie. Welcome.
Hi.
Auntie, this one you came to see us after a long time.
No, he didn't just come to see us. I invited her to come.
Oh.
You know how busy she could be in that business office.
How are you?
I'm here. I'm fine. As you can see, I'm okay. As long as I have my guardian angel with me all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I'm okay.
My brother is really taking good care of you.
Of course, I give it to him. He is a strong man. He's the best father in the whole world.
Coming from the mouth of the best daughter in the world. Please, go and get her something to drink.
Okay. Auntie, what would you like to drink?
Anything soft.
Anything soft.
Mm-hmm. Get her fruit juice.
Okay.
And then after that, you go into the kitchen and prepare something for her.
All right.
I trust you.
Don't worry, I'm coming now. Let me get you.
So, no.
Thank you, brother. The business tycoon. Big madam. Glow score.
Happening, babe.
My dear, I say I can't see your bag. Staying in that house alone is tiring.
Yeah.
Mm.
You're welcome, eh?
Thank you. Hey, seriously, I'm tired of running around and living life frivolously. Eh? You're not getting any younger. We will soon die, you. So please, let's go down on some things.
I am not dying yet.
I know. I know. But seriously, though, let's watch it.
Yeah. You're right. We're not getting any younger.
Yeah.
And we're just busy servicing the libido of these men. But then, men are as surplus as tissue to be picked off the bookshelf.
Oh?
Yeah, you can think of it.
Babe, if we cannot find them on the streets, we'll search for them on social media platform, even for church platform. Somehow we are going to find them. Huh? And what is your daughter saying about this?
My daughter?
I approve it. Yes, I've approved it.
She did.
You know, my father can get a wife for himself and a stepmother for me. I mean, hasn't he tried already?
My dear, indeed, he has tried. And I myself, I equally approved, brother.
Oh, really? Only
So you see, you have two strong approvals. See, I need to go back.
Oh my God. Go.
Brother?
Yes.
You have every right to do what you need to do to yourself now. Nobody is stopping you.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you. I know I can always count on you.
Of course, that's why I'm your sister. Babe, he made some unserious move and quickly stalled. I'm sure he's thinking about his moves though.
You're actually lucky to have someone that is making serious moves towards you. Because the people I am meeting, they are only interested in my bush allowances, which is not my deal. Babe, I want something serious and genuine.
Babe, seriously, I understand you. But I think we should seek for some spiritual help. Make person know they fight spiritual husband without knowing.
Are you suggesting a deliverance session?
Exactly. Yes.
The problem is finding a true man of God that is trustworthy and genuine. And not someone that would want to take advantage of me sexually.
I believe by the time we search earnestly, we are going to find a genuine one.
Well, I hope so, because I have really had some bad experiences with some of them in the past.
Don't worry. I believe there are some genuine ones somewhere. We are going to find them, fish them out.
Okay, well, I really pray we succeed in this marital quest.
Amen. I pray so.
Yes, Auntie, I totally understand. All right, now, I will have to leave you here now.
All right, no problem.
Auntie, you don't have to.
Of course I have to. This is for you.
Thank
For
you.
the bread I was supposed to buy for you when I was coming to see you.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
Use it and buy anything you like.
Thank you. Okay?
Also, thank you for supporting your father's desire in getting a new wife.
Of course.
A new wife will bring a refreshment to him and also give him a companion. He deserves it.
Yeah, a companion most importantly. Companion will bring him peace.
Yes.
And always be there to, stay with him so that he will not be bored.
Thank you.
And also, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting his desire to get married.
Of course, I have to. He's my only brother. Who wouldn't support his brother now? No problem. Continue being a good girl.
Okay. Promise me you'll come back.
I will definitely come back now.
Bye-bye. Take care of yourself, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Be a good girl.
Thank you.
To have two masters is to have none at all. You just give them half, you don't give them your all. It's like between the devil and the deep blue sea. You could face fire, you could face something worse. You might just get hurt or get stuck in the mud. It's like between the devil and the deep blue sea.
Babe, there's no need going into the house now since there's no electricity. Yeah, I don't want to go inside here. I'm born with heat.
Yeah, it's alright.
Let's relax outside here and catch some fresh air now.
You're right, let's just sit out.
Yeah, when the electricity is back, we can now go in.
Okay.
just catch up here, Jerry.
Yeah. Hey, come, Glusco. How did you see that man of God idea plausible?
Oh, Tabitha actually suggested it to me and we talked about it.
But have you seen, a man of God yet, or are you not searching for them?
We have not seen any yet. I've actually been making inquiries, but I haven't seen anyone I can trust.
Why didn't you tell me? I would have referred you to one I know and the one I can trust.
What? I didn't know you also deal with men of God. Oh, well, I have had horrible experiences with them in the past. So right now, I have serious trust issues when it comes to them. But since you have someone I can trust, I could try. There's no harm in trying, right?
There's no harm in trying, but you would have to sow a dangerous seed. I mean, yeah, a dangerous seed to rouse the anointing for performance, you know?
Payment for anointing for performance. I
Something
thought
like
this
that.
thing is supposed to be a freely you have received and freely you shall give thing. Huh?
Who does that, babe? Who does that? You need to sow a dangerous seed to provoke the action on your behalf.
You see why I run away from these people? How do I just pay God to bless me? Does that make sense? Paying God to bless me. A whole God. Pay him.
Does it make sense? I beg you.
Glosco. You're too stingy. Haba. Just small seed that you... Just chickeny seed. For you to get what you want, though. Yeah, you're complaining. Trust me, I know that Tabitha won't object to the idea.
Babe, he made some unserious move and quickly stalled. I'm sure he's thinking about his moves though.
You're actually lucky to have someone that is making serious moves towards you. Because the people I am meeting, they are only interested in my bush allowances, which is not my deal. Babe, I want something serious and genuine.
Babe, seriously, I understand you. But I think we should seek for some spiritual help. Make person know they fight spiritual husband without knowing.
Are you suggesting a deliverance session?
Exactly. Yes.
The problem is finding a true man of God that is trustworthy and genuine. And not someone that would want to take advantage of me sexually.
I believe by the time we search earnestly, we are going to find a genuine one.
Well, I hope so, because I have really had some bad experiences with some of them in the past.
Don't worry. I believe there are some genuine ones somewhere. We are going to find them, fish them out.
Okay, well, I really pray we succeed in this marital quest.
And me, I pray too.
Anyway, just tell me when you guys are ready so that I can take you to see my papa.
Oh, the light is back.
Wow.
Thank God. Let's just
That's
go
good.
inside, please, and watch some movies.
I think that's okay.
Wow.
What's happening to you?
See fresh breeze now. It's not the artificial nonsense there.
I don't understand. What are you calling artificial nonsense? My dad's AC that he bought with his money. And you were even busy watching TV with the artificial nonsense.
Okay, busy doing nothing. Yes, that reminds me. What is that news you wanted to tell me about your dad?
The news, right? The gist. So my dad came back. He was very happy. Like, very happy. You should have seen him behaving like a young school champion.
Just me.
Calm down. I won't tell you. Calm down now. I can see that this food is entering your medulla.
Are you guessing? You know you're too good. Whenever you enter the kitchen, I always have hope. Don't you notice that I normally don't go outside to eat? I must go back to the house. Because my daughter cooks like my late wife, which makes me lose interest in outside kitchen. So, the food is fantastic.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
JDJ. JDJ.
Daddy. I know that style of calling. What is it?
What do you mean that style of calling?
When you call me JDJ, there's something.
Are you saying I cannot hail my daughter again or praise you? It's because of your food.
That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying whenever you call me like that, there's always something attached to it. Maybe you want to tell me something. There's something going on.
You're wrong this time. I was just trying to hail you because your food is good.
Daddy. Daddy.
Okay. That is something.
I said it. So what is it?
You know, since your mother's demise, I have been, well, a little bit lonely. Even though you make sure that I don't feel lonely in this house, that I can give to you. But then, I started thinking about you. You need somebody like a mother figure to come and say there's a be your stepmother, guide you when I'm not around and all that. And I, on my own part, we need a woman to stay with. You know, when I lost your mother, I nearly lost my consciousness. And I have been lying fallow since that time. And you know, I married your mother when I am almost passing marriage markets. So I married late in my life. And I don't want to create that gap again. I want to place happiness. So I want to get a woman into this place.
Okay.
That will take care of you. That the two of us can bond together with. Take care of you, take care of me. And so that at least you don't feel, and I'm going to promise you, it's going to be a fantastic woman. I'll make sure of that.
So, Daddy, I've heard everything you said, and I approve of you to get
Oh, thank you!
So I just hope, like you said, the woman will be a very fantastic woman.
Any woman who comes into this and jokes with you, I'm meant to fight.
Daddy, don't say it like that. Amen. Amen.
That's my daughter. I know you not demand me that.
How is she like?
Well, I don't know. I've not seen her before. My dad has not introduced her to me. Maybe because he is still priming the relationship.
How long does the preparation take? Are you not as anxious as I am right now? As if I'm the one getting a new step, Mom.
My dear, I'm anxious, but what will my anxiety do? I just have to sit down and wait for him to finish the relationship preparation. You know, every morning when I wake up, I always imagine her waking me up, giving me breakfast, doing mommy duties.
Hey! Oh my God, I just pray he brings someone that will accept you kind-heartedly.
I pray so too. I pray so.
Oh God, I'm so happy.
Thank you so much. You've been a great friend. And what are you doing? Don't let that get into your head, though. Ha!
JJ. That when I sweep everywhere. What thing happened?
Haven't you heard that my dear father is bringing in his new wife?
A new wife, what? Oga don't marry.
No, he's not yet married, but he's bringing in his new wife.
Wife to be.
Oh,
yeah?
I understand why when they do environmental station everywhere.
Did you say environmental station? It's not environmental environmental station. It's environmental sanitation. Sanitation.
When I leave this grammatical this thing, English not my mother tongue. I be typical Igbo man. So anyhow where I see him, I go speak up. Now understand?
Okay, you are right. Dede, you are right. Allow us to do our environmental sanitation here. You go to your own place and do your environmental station. Yes. Okay. So that our visitor will not be disappointed.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Madam, good afternoon. Oh.
Hi, baby, how are you? Well, I would people like to see some people. Yeah. So this, like I said, is my little house of no regrets. Please make yourself comfortable.
Wow. Your place is very beautiful.
You like it?
Confess. Yes.
Well, it's just an austerity house.
Are the decorations all for me?
Yeah, they are for you.
Aww.
You see how much I have here at that. Well, I must say, courtesy of my little precious daughter, Jane.
Aww.
She has been doing a very wonderful job. Jay, our visitors here.
Daddy.
Yeah.
You're welcome, sir. Auntie.
What's the problem? Any problem? Have you met each other before?
No, I don't know her. I am surprised by her reactions towards me. What's the matter?
Jay.
Daddy, is this the guest that we're expecting?
Yes.
She's the woman you want to get married to.
Precisely. Any problem?
Daddy, I don't like her. I don't like this lady.
What do you mean? How can you see somebody for the first time, you haven't met her, you haven't done that, and you say it's like a...
I am wondering
kind of
what the matter might be.
Wondering?
Oh, is she okay?
I'm very okay, ma. And are you saying you've not seen this face before, like you don't know who I am?
No. Do you know me?
Yes, I do. We both know each other. And I'm going to tell you that you cannot get married to my dad. You don't deserve to be my stepmother.
You say you have never met her before?
No, I haven't. Maybe she's mistaking me for some lady, or she saw me in her dream. I mean, it happens, right?
Okay. No, about the first step, probably she's mistaking you for another.
Yes.
Anyway, just forget all these things. With time, it will sort itself out.
Yes, I believe she will settle out and calm down.
Now, while you relax, I am going to do the presentation of whatever I'm going to give to you. I'm going to go there and I'll prepare it and I will serve you nationwide.
Aww.
Okay? With my own hands. Wait and see.
She's pretending. Why would she say that she has forgotten about that?
How can anyone even forget what happened that day and the people that were there? Look, My dad can marry that lady. My dad cannot marry that lady. Not under this roof.
But what if your dad man had already been made up?
No. I'm saying that it's not possible. It can never be possible. I will not let my dad marry that lady. I mean, weren't you there when everything happened?
Yes, I witnessed everything now. I'm as shocked as you are right now. How can that woman become your stepmom?
God forbid. Never. That woman can never be my stepmother. Not on my watch. I will do everything possible to cancel whatever they have.
You know, Jennifer, you still have not told me what happened, what really happened. Why you just hate an innocent woman for no just cause? Why?
Dad, are you calling that lady innocent?
Yeah, she is.
That lady is not innocent at all.
Jennifer, before you accuse somebody of anything, you must bring the crime in front of the person. What offense did she commit?
Well, I've told you before. But I know you deliberately decided to forget it because of the love you have for her.
You told me before.
Yes.
Look, this lady said who you have not met before.
She's obviously lying about that, Dad.
No. Don't go to slander a woman that hasn't done anything to you. Why? Gloria is not that type of person.
Oh wait, so you believe a stranger's lie over your daughter's truth?
I believe her. Truth?
Yes.
What kind of truth? What the truth, man, when you haven't even told me?
I told you earlier.
Come back here this minute. Right now.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
Oh. So, both of you can greet. Yet you just walked past me and did not even greet me as if nobody was standing here. Right?
Excuse me, Ma. What are you talking about?
Really?
I wonder, hey, madam, you know us from nowhere and you haven't met us before.
Does not knowing you remove the fact that small children like you are supposed to greet an adult when you see one? Does it?
Mama, you called us back and we greeted you.
Exactly, we greeted you. Ma, please, I have the orientation that doesn't permit me to talk to strangers, especially on the road.
Ow! Jesus!
Mama, why will you slap her now?
You are very stupid. Who do you think you're talking to like that? Who?
If
you do not shut up right now, I will slap you. Listen, go and ask about me. Ask about Glory Michael. So you know me, I do not tolerate nonsense from anybody. Do you understand?
But what did I do to deserve this slap? I greeted you. What did I do wrong?
Mother's an assault on her person.
It was not an assault. It was me teaching her a lesson because I'm quite sure her mother never trained her very well. Now, before I open my eyes, you both have disappeared from my sight right now. Get out! Get out!
Jenny, let's go.
It's God that will judge you. If I stole you my shoe now,
I don't understand, but we greeted her, didn't we? I didn't even know somebody was there when I passed.
I see. So she was a woman you were accusing of harassing you and your
It's
friend.
not an accusation, Dad. It happened. She humiliated my friend and I for doing nothing.
Let me ask. Did you ask to find out the reason why she did what she did?
I know the reason. The reason is because of what is happening now. God doesn't want you to marry her. God just used that little incident to show us who she is so that you won't marry her.
Jennifer, what has happened has happened. I advise you now to take this thing with the fine face. Forget whatever I do this in and just let's move on. Let's live on. Build new relationship as the essence of life.
Dad,
Yes.
I don't like that woman.
Look.
I don't want her to be my stepmother.
Jennifer, we'll put this case in abeyance. We'll discuss about it next time.
Dad, listen to me so that you won't make any mistakes.
I'm not making any mistakes, my dear.
Then don't marry her.
Okay.
Daddy! Look, I'm telling you what this woman did. This woman even told me.
That girl doesn't understand how badly we need this relationship.
She does not. At all.
But what did she say that you did to her?
Nothing that I know of. Immediately my man, her father, walked me into the beautiful house. He called on her to come out and meet me.
Yeah. So this, like I said, is my little house of no regrets. Please make yourself comfortable.
Wow. Your place is very beautiful.
You like it?
Yes.
Well, it's just an austerity house.
Are the decorations all for me?
Yeah, they are for you.
Aww.
You see how much I have you at that. Well, I must say, courtesy of my little precious daughter, Jane.
Aww.
She has been doing a very wonderful job. Jay! Our visitors here.
Daddy!
Yeah!
You're welcome, sir. Auntie.
What's the problem? Any problem? Have you met each other before?
No, I don't know her. I am surprised by her reactions towards me. What's the matter?
Jay.
Daddy, is this the guest that we're expecting?
Yes.
She's the woman you want to get married to.
Precisely. Any problem?
Daddy, I don't like her. I don't like this lady.
What do you mean? How can you see somebody for the first time, you haven't met her, you haven't done that, and you say it's like her?
I am wondering
What
what the matter might be.
Wondering?
Oh, is she okay?
I'm very okay, ma. And are you saying you've not seen this face before, like you don't know who I am?
No. Do you know me?
Yes, I do. We both know each other. And I'm going to tell you that you cannot get married to my dad. You don't deserve to be my stepmother.
You say you have never met her before?
No, I haven't.
I clearly remember when you told me about this incident. Yeah, you told me you were not in a good mood because Chris annoyed you. But, babe, the Bible says that people should be slow to become angry. You too diverse.
My hope and encouragement is that my man does not seem to be moved by that girl's tantrums. As for me, I am not letting go. After searching for a long time, I finally found a man that is willing to settle down with me. One small rat will now come out and say that it will not work.
What are you going to do about it? You don't know the kind of relationship that have grown between that man and his only daughter. See, if I were you, I would apply diplomacy to the whole thing. Yes, placate the little girl first and enter. When you have settled as wife, then you cannot make plans for the family. Abby, what is Abby? Do you want to lose this one that you've gotten without sowing any dangerous seed to any man of God?
God forbid.
I will never lose her. Then use your sixth sense and be wise. If I were you, I would go and kneel before that girl and beg her for mercy.
Pat, I beg. It has not gotten to that point. What I know is that I will never give up for her.
Are you Sabio?
He was exhausted after the room.
So, how did your father feel about your rejection of his newfound love?
Penny, as it stands now, my father is in love. He said that he's already deeply in love with her and she's the only one who has his heart.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I know that I'm not going to let that woman who slapped me become my stepmother.
So what would you do now, seeing that your father's heart has already been taken by that woman?
All I know is, for them to get married, they will have to contend with me. And I'm not going to let that happen. Never.
But Jenny, I know how much you love your dad, and I know you wouldn't let anything hurt him. So why would you let because of a woman?
Benny, I'm not going to let any of that emotional blackmail stop me from doing whatever I want to do. Not after that unmerited slap I got from that lady the other day. Come on. She can never step her foot in this house as a wife. I mean, they can do whatever they want to do outside, but they should not come into this house bearing husband and wife.
Oh, Jenny, you're serious, oh?
I'm very serious. The actions I will take when she comes into this house, nobody will see it coming.
There's no right. Let's meet this way.
Oh, I don't want this right now. Nah, I don't have time for this, so I have an appointment to see him in his house today.
That's very nice. So how about his daughter? Won't she be there?
Nothing concern me concerning daughter. I beg na the papa they go see Jerry.
Baby, if I were you, I'll first settle my dispute with this girl before facing her father. That girl is the only god in the wheel of your relationship. Eh?
Well, her father is doing everything possible to placate her first. Let him finish with her.
Okay. But remember that it was you that hurt her for no reason. You slapped her for no reason and not the father. Eh? I think you're the one that should be settling case with this girl and not him. You face it now. Face this small girl.
She's just being unnecessarily uncouth and stubborn. See, she should better not try to remove meat from my mouth because I go bite her finger join the meat. They play.
You're so stubborn. You're very, very stubborn. You speak English. You're so being uncouth. Eh? Don't be doing this your big girl and let this whole thing spoil for you. Well, let's just pray you settle all of this in peace.
I don't hear you, Reverend Tabitha. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. These people, are you sure you're going to see anyone here?
I feel like we should just walk to that junction, maybe.
Are you sure?
Hey, I'm here.
Sit down, let us talk. I want us to talk.
This one you're like this. I hope all is well.
Well, if you allow all to be well, all will be well.
And now you're speaking in parables. Dad, you know how much I hate unraveling parables.
I haven't even dropped any parable here yet. I only said it will be well if you allow it to be well.
Dad, now I'm lost in the forest of your dark sayings. I'm confused.
See, parables are like the salt with which elders garnish their words.
Oh,
I want to ask you a question.
okay.
Do you really love me as a father?
Dad, I don't understand where this question is coming from. You know, without an iota of doubt, that I love you so much.
Okay. If you love me as you claim, are you ready to support me, support my ego, support all the projects I put my hand into? Are you ready to give me that support?
And that is what I've been doing. I've been supporting you.
You're giving me a cause to doubt it.
Why do you think so?
Jenny, why are you becoming a cog in the wheel of my marital project and my progress?
Dad, I'm not becoming a cog in the wheel of your project. I'm just saying I don't like that lady. That lady cannot be my stepmother. She's not fit to be my stepmother.
Okay, in essence, you want me to remain a widower for the rest of my life?
No, Dad. You can marry any wife. You can choose anybody but that woman. Dad, have you forgotten? That woman slapped me when she didn't even know who I was. So how am I supposed to relate with her if she comes into this house?
I am sorry about that incident, and I've told you times without number. But then, that woman and your father has been relating for a long time. We've had long relationship that it will be impossible, near impossible, if not impossible, for me to make a U-turn from my relationship with her. I've made her a lot of promises that I will not
Dad,
rescind.
nobody is irreplaceable. You can go out there, choose any woman. There are other women that will make you feel better than you feel for this lady.
I think I know that better than you, and that is why I am still insisting. I have been with that woman for a very long time, and we have so much understood each other that it is impossible, I said it before, for me to replace her with another.
So you're trying to choose her over me, your daughter?
I'm trying to advise you to soft pedal a bit and accept her and relate with her, because she is coming in here for good.
Dad, you're not even considering the fact that this same woman slapped me, your daughter.
But honey, I told you I wouldn't be coming to your house till you sort your girl out.
Look, honey, I am trying my best to sort out, to make things normal. Is it my fault? I mean, I'm trying to moderate things, to allay the whole issue.
Well, try harder, work harder on it, because I'm so serious. I won't come to your house till you sort her out. You'll be the one coming to see me, or better still, we can see and hang out away from your house and my house.
All right. You want me to come and see you there, right? Okay, I'm coming.
We don't hook, we say we don't hook. And it's going to be for better, for worse.
What is this now? The two of them? Daddy! What happened to my tires?
Your tire?
The others go and check, the two of them.
I don't know. The tire left.
What do I do now?
Yeah, but if you use Keke go where you won't go.
Keke?
Yes.
It's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea.
Okay. Now so God they take help person for danger. Maybe God no one make you come out for this house. You understand? If you call the person where you won't go meet, tell and say you no fit to come again. Tell and waiting do your motto now.
You may be right. All right, let me call Gloria.
Who be that? Who dey play that? Madam the madam. Welcome.
I did. The only chief security officer. How about it now?
But the country don't bend like crayfish.
That's what it be for everybody now. You know easy at all. You know easy.
Now wow, even the common garri wey they use the soak, they use them feel belly. They carry down scarce.
Anyhow, now man must work. Oh. Anyhow, if no be say they work, your belly for no big rich like this.
I beg, leave that thing. Man no die, man no rotten. They feel am.
I don't get strength for your wahala this morning. My brother dey house.
Oga dey house o. That day.
Make I go see them, I beg. And don't get your strength. You they give one.
Madam, leave that thing. Leave am.
Winnie, the stands now, I'm famished. I need to eat something. Oh my god. Are you not hungry? Are you not hungry?
Yeah,
A little. Are you serious? You know what? I know of a mama puts a food joint that cooks good food. Like if you taste this woman's stew, nobody cooks like her in this whole town.
And who could that be? Mamachi.
How did you know? How did you know? Who else cooks better than Mamachi in this village? You know, let's go quickly. I'm famished.
Wait, are you that hungry? That you can't wait to get home and eat your own made food? Do you want to spoil your taste with all this highly seasoned food that they present in public, which you yourself, you know, you can't even ascertain the hygiene standard?
Abi, you're very right though. Sometimes you used to have sense on and off. I'm joking. But see, the only thing I'm avoiding is my dad's appeal court session. I don't like it. I know that when I get home now, it's either he calls me to sit down and talk about that lady or something else. I'm tired of it.
Are you planning on running away? Because you know if you do, that things might go wrong.
You know what? I'm not scared anymore. Let's go home. Okay. Let's go, man. Eat food. Whatever he wants to do.
Brother, this is a very serious matter.
I have been trying to keep my cool just because of the affection I have for Jane. And look at the way she's handling it. Jay, you know how much I love Jay. I love my daughter so much so that I've just used her to replace the mother. You know how close I was with my late wife.
That's true.
That's why I am trying to hold myself, to keep my cool. But look at how stubborn she's proven to be.
So what are you planning to do about Gloria now?
That was why I invited you, to help me. I have been with Glory for a very, very long time that it will be highly impossible for me to turn back now. Not possible. So what I want you to do for me is to talk to Jay. Talk to her. Because I have, been trying to control myself because of my affection to her. Money had very close. But then, if she pushes this thing so far, I might be forced to go ahead with what's in my mind. After all, it's my life. I will just leave this and go ahead and then marry whoever I want to marry. Biko, talk to her for me.
No problem. I will talk to her.
Please do.
I will.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Auntie, you're welcome. Auntie, are you leaving already? Yes, I've been here for a while. I came to talk with my brother.
I should have just stayed small now. Today that you managed to come, you should have stayed.
I would have loved to, but I'm running late for an appointment. I promise to come back soon because I have something to discuss with you.
With me?
Yes.
Okay, if you insist. See you again. When are we seeing you again?
I'll be coming in 2 days' time.
2 days. That's fair. All right now.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take good care of yourself.
All right. And buy me something.
I will. Be a good girl. Be a good girl.
Babe, if I were you, I won't allow that thing to deprive me from seeing my man. Eh? One day they do big chick, and that girl will just enter, take a position. No.
God forbid. That will never happen.
Oh, God forbid, that will never happen. They do big girl until your eye go clear. But yeah, I'm your friend. I'll console you. But don't say I do not want you. Eh?
Well, Igwe assured me that he will never give up on me no matter what his daughter does.
What did you say? His what? Daughter. Eh? My dear, you don't have to allow that little girl to start making you feel somehow. Face her now. Face her squarely. Eh? Don't allow that girl to start playing you, and until you become his wife, you cannot relent. Don't allow men to deceive you.
Tabi, you're right, oh. I will never let this girl take the meat that has already entered my mouth. She don't be put hand for my garri, oh.
That is my glow talking.
Don't give me idea.
Show them. Don't give up. If not, I don't know what you're going to do, my dear. But don't worry. Anything you want, I'll be there. I have to start going now. I have midnight prayer. You know, I can never give up on myself too. I need to go and fire prayer. So, my dear, take care of yourself.
Let me see you, Jerry.
Let's sit here and talk.
Okay, First of all, I want to say thank you for keeping to your promise of coming back here today.
Of course I have to, because what I want to discuss with you is something that will favor us.
I know. But are you sure you don't want anything to drink, anything to munch on while we talk?
Not until we are done with this discussion.
Okay. If you say so.
Thank you so much, my child, for giving me this opportunity to talk to you. It is about your father and his happiness. That is what I want to talk to you about.
My mom is.
Why are you against him getting married to Glory?
I said it. I knew you were just going to talk about this matter. Look, Auntie, I'm not against him getting married to whoever he wants to get married to. All I'm saying is I don't want Miss Glory as my stepmother.
And you just said you're not stopping him from marrying her. What's the difference?
Auntie, do I have the power to stop my dad from marrying anyone?
Jenny, you know how much your father likes and respects you. And you also know how both of you bonded after the demise of your mother. What you're doing to him is affecting him badly. You're making him feel as if he's losing you. Auntie, and that's not fair.
Auntie, look, I am growing into a woman. A woman that will one day leave this house for my dad and whoever he decides to marry.
Are you saying your father will not get married to Gloria or what?
I can't promise he's getting married to Miss Glory. As long as she has not deemed it fit to come to me, to mend fences with me and apologize to me for what she did. Did you know what this woman did to me?
Hey, madam, you know us from nowhere and you haven't met us before.
Does not knowing you remove the fact that small children like you are supposed to greet an adult when you see one? Does it?
Mama, you called us back and we greeted you.
Exactly, we greeted you. Ma, please, I have the orientation that doesn't permit me to talk to strangers, especially on the road.
Ow!
Jesus!
Mama, why will you slap her now?
You are very stupid. Who do you think you're talking to like that? Who?
Madam,
if you do not shut up right now, I will slap you. Listen, go and ask about me. Ask about Glory Michael. So you know me, I do not tolerate nonsense from anybody. Do you understand?
But what did I do to deserve this slap? I greeted you. What did I do wrong?
Mother's an assault on her person.
It was not an assault. It was me teaching her a lesson because I'm quite sure her mother never trained her very well. Now, before I open my eyes, you both have disappeared from my sight right now. Get out! Get out!
Jenny, let's go. It's God that will judge you.
If I spoil you my shoe now,
I don't understand, but we greeted her, didn't we? I didn't even know somebody was there when I passed.
That is a mistake. Maybe someone else has angered her that day before she met you.
And she had the temerity to lay her hands on me.
She didn't even know who I was. How can you just wake up in the morning and decide to slap a stranger?
Jenny, I understand your grievance against this lady. But if there's no sin, there won't be forgiveness.
Are you serious? Let me tell you, even God doesn't forgive those who are too proud to ask for forgiveness. Yes! I mean, asking for forgiveness is what sinners do. If you sin, you ask him for forgiveness. So I'm waiting for her to come to me and beg me, apologize to me, ask for my forgiveness. Let me forgive her. That is what sinners do.
Is that your stand?
I'm sorry, Auntie, but yes, that's my stand.
Okay, let's see how it plays. Anyways, thank you for giving me your time. I appreciate.
Thank you, Auntie. So now, can I get you something to drink?
Just water, cold water.
I hope you're not angry.
I'm not angry, but you just have to...
I cannot see myself budge to that girl's demands just like that. If I let her, then she won't respect me when I eventually get into your house as your wife.
Listen, my love, I don't think so. Look, I want you to realize that I am at the middle of this storm. I love my daughter, I love my wife. So, what am I going to do? I call you my wife now, even though we have nothing. But to tell you how deep my emotions for you are. And I want you to realize that all I'm asking for is just peace. I'm not doing this thing just because we are related. I mean, we have this relationship. I'm doing this because I need peace. If we have peace from you and her and myself, what else do we need?
Igwe, do you love me?
You shouldn't be asking that question. If I don't love you, why would I sit in the car, just stand at this place and we came back from the front of the car and we're at the back and we're discussing? That shows the seriousness. Of course. The only thing we need is just apologize to this girl. What is an apology, by the way? Oh. I do respect your feelings. I do, honestly. But what has the feelings got to do with just simple apology? Oh, I have done this. Okay, I'm sorry. And then we'll live in peace. Simple apology. One word.
That will never happen.
You heard me.
What is this?
Daddy, Daddy, why are you threatening me like this?
Because you are trying to be a cock in the wheel of my progress. I want to marry and you are not being stubborn and refusing. What has gotten into you? Do you want me to remain a widow all my life, the rest of my life?
Daddy, you can marry any other woman, but that lady, I don't like her. She doesn't deserve to be called my stepmother.
Really?
Yes.
Now I have decided that is the girl I am going to stay with. That is the lady I am going to stay with. The lady that has got my heart.
Is that so?
Yes, it is so.
You know what? You can do whatever you want to do without considering if it favors me or not. Marry whoever you want to marry.
Look, let me tell you. What has caught my heart is what has caught my heart. And there is nothing one can do about it. I have been trying to bring the two of you together to see reasons. Come down from your high horses. You two have refused. Yes, I'm going to take my own decisions now. It's my life we're talking about. I can't continue to remain a widower. Upon the fact that I even married your mother late. What's this? If you want me to leave her, go and bring your mother that back. That is the only woman that can make me blind to any other woman on earth. When she's dead, bring her back and I will jettison every other relationship with any woman. If not, just leave me to do what I want to do. What's this?
Let's go, baby. So what's the latest?
My dear, I am minding my business, facing my business full time because my life actually depends on it for a better future.
That's not what she's talking about. Oh, waiting they happen for your relationship.
Have you gone to apologize to your man's little girl yet for an approval to get married to her dad?
That will never happen. And I clearly told my man that.
Glosco. Glosco. Ah, you get mind though. I say your mind strong.
How?
Babe, you're not afraid that another baby corner your man. Eh? Why you still there they do strong head?
This rain again, no. Now I'm still not go sleep here today.
We don't get choice. Now rainy season we dey.
How's the season, oh? The season is there, so.
Anyway, I know the man I have and how much he values my relationship with him. He can never trade me for another babe now.
So has this little girl of his succumbed to his pressures yet?
No. The rat is still insisting that I apologize to her for assaulting her. Can you imagine that?
And you don't think it's necessary? You don't think it's right and necessary?
It is not only unnecessary, but demeaning. How will she respect me if I apologize to her? She can never value me as her stepmother now. She can only see me as her mate in that house.
My dear, you have a point there, Shao. You have a point, a very strong point. That girl, she's still little for Madame Glo to go and beg.
Teddy, your food is ready. Should I serve you?
I'm not hungry.
Oh, you've not eaten anything today.
I've lost my appetite.
Are you feeling sick?
You are making me sick.
Sir?
Yes, you are making me sick. Why be so adamant and so stubborn about this issue? It makes me sick, yes.
How am I making you sick? What did I do?
Why are you pretending you don't know what the crux of the matter is? Huh? You insisted that until this lady comes to bow down to you and apologize to you, you are not going to condescend. For what?
Daddy, you're making me feel guilty now. I just said I don't want her as my stepmother.
Okay. That is exactly what I'm saying, because by saying that and by deciding that, you people have made me, but I don't know. I don't know how to grab with my left, I don't grab with my right. You people are just messing up, toying with my emotions. Is that right?
Daddy, at least eat something.
Mary.
Is that it?
That is it.
But seriously, I don't even know why I'm too bothered about this your relationship thing than you.
It is called crying more than the bereaved.
Whatever you say, but I'm just concerned. You know, she got hers smooth and easy. Unlike us, that have been praying and kabashing for nights. Don't allow this your free something to slide away, understand? It's not nice.
Tell her.
Tabitha, you worry too much for me. Don't worry yourself, alright? I will never lose Igwe. Yeah. Even though I didn't get him through midnight kabashing, but I'm kabashing to keep him. Yeah. And he's really into me. He's so sure about me, and I believe him died.
Wow.
See, that girl can fight, but weapon of warfare shall never prosper in my marital destiny. Never.
Baby, you sound too sure.
Pat, I know my man and how much he wants me. He wants me like the citizens want electricity.
Interesting. I like this, my girl. She's so sweet. But seriously, I can't wait to visit you as Mrs. Igwe. I can't wait to come and have all those enjoyments in your house, you know.
Same here.
The door will always be open for you guys.
Sure.
And it shall come to pass in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Hey, Jenny.
Jenny, you want to come out?
Thank God you're already here. Yeah, so I'm going out. I'm going to see my friend. Please, if my daddy asks about me, just tell him I want to see Benny, okay? He's sleeping now. I don't want to disturb him.
You no get wahala now, no problem. So, but if we go, let me buy something, and help me greet Benny.
I will do that, but you see the buying something part, I might not do it because I'm not with money unless Benny gives me money. Alright.
Okay, that you get that thing where they call perfect. Where on they live, perfect. Don't forget it.
I'm telling you. Yes, that's the truth now. No, I really understand what you... Let me call you back later. Yes, okay. Bye.
I'm not cleaning yet. I thought I told you to help clean the house that my wife is coming home today.
Oh, I nearly forgot. Don't worry, I'll do the cleaning. I'll clean everywhere.
Okay. But the thing is, I'm already late, so whatever you have to do, you have to hurry and do it. Okay?
Okay.
Please do help me prepare a very nice dish, at least to welcome her. Okay?
Sorry, Daddy. That's food request. It won't work. Oh.
May I ask why?
Yes, it won't work. Because just like you said, you're going to bring your wife. And she's your wife. She's supposed to cook for you. So if she comes to this house and she feels like she wants to eat, she'll go into the kitchen and cook something. I'm not her house help.
Okay, if I understand what you mean you are not going to help in the house because you're not the house help. So what are you going to be there? Co-wife?
My name is JENIFER Igwe, the only daughter of Mazi Igwe and late Mrs. Louisa Igwe. From today, I'm going to live in this big house as a free person and not tied to anyone's apron strings.
Why have you turned this negative?
Well, if the hand doesn't touch the drum, it will never sound. You are the cause of this whole problem happening in this house. And please, go to your wife. Go and bring your wife because I know that wherever she is now, she'll be impatiently waiting for you. Go before she gets too agitated.
Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Oh.
Yes, what's that?
Now the way Oga take run come off for this place, I can't be like say something bad happened. I make I see my ass.
No, nothing bad happened. He just went to bring his wife. Nothing much.
Bagam. Hey, so Madam Gloria go enter this house today. Hey. Oh, wow, Oga don't win. Oga don't win. So today we go get new madam for you. God, thank you very well.
You're too happy, Dede. You seem too happy.
You know they're happy.
I know, like I'm not happy. I'm happy for them.
You're happy for them. You know, like Madam Glory.
Dede, please, let's leave that talk till when she comes to this house. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. I'm trying to clean this place up before they return, so go back to your work, please.
Nah. Make me I go clean my side too. Clean your side, I clean my side.
Yes. And he has gone to bring her. Dad already knows my stand on this matter. And since he has decided to go ahead without thinking about me or how I feel, he's going to bear the pain of the problem I'll bring into this house. Yes. And from today, from now, they'll be responsible for whatever is going on in this house. I will never forget what she did. Never.
Yeah. Sit down. Welcome once again.
Thank you, my love.
Jennifer.
Oh, Jennifer, how are you?
Fine.
Well, my darling, I think now just go upstairs, turn into a casual dress, just put on a casual dress, then go into the kitchen and prepare us a nice, delicious slab of food.
You don't have already made food in this house?
You know what's in there now. Jennifer said she's not going to eat the cook again. So,
Really?
yes, but I know you can't do it now. Abba!
Anyway, I am your wife now.
That is correct.
This house is now under my authority. So, her action and decision are just marks of respect to me.
Thank you for taking it that way.
Yes. So just relax, my dear husband.
Yes.
And I shall get the food ready.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. So I just need to change into something casual.
That's right.
And then you will introduce me to the kitchen.
Yes, but before the kitchen, I will introduce you to Zazaro. You catch my drift. All right. So, shall we?
Yeah.
Bia Jenny, Bia. Come now, come. Bia now. I don't see you welcome madam when Oga carry and come. I do not see them come.
Is that one a stranger? She's not. I've seen her over 1 million times. I'm not even excited. You should be the one to tell me welcome.
Now you they talk this thing. Now your papa wife, oh, now your stepmother.
Daddy, stop there. Stop there. That woman doesn't deserve to be my stepmother. Yes, of course, she's my father's wife and it stops there, nothing more.
What the fuego? Wait, oh. Una quarrel.
Did you know what this woman did to me? Do you know that this woman slapped me for doing nothing to her?
Slap quoi?
Yes!
Now when she come, Kasara don't begin boss for us.
No. It's not today. It happened long time ago, even before Dad knew her.
You know her before?
One day, I was walking with my friend, Benny.
You telling me?
I dare you.
Wait, hey,
You can't
I
do
can
anything.
show you.
See this one.
See, I will show you, that
you
I
that
can
I know.
sustain it. If
You
I
that
say,
I know.
how have you ever seen me do it before?
Like,
You have never
what are
seen me
you
do it
saying?
before, so
What are
you
you
cannot
saying?
tell me.
Both of you, come back here this minute. Right now.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
Oh. So, both of you can greet. Yet you just walked past me and did not even greet me as if nobody was standing here. Right?
Excuse me, ma, what are you talking about?
Really?
I wonder, hey, madam, you know us from nowhere and you haven't met us before.
Does not knowing you remove the fact that small children like you are supposed to greet an adult when you see one? Does it?
Mama, you called us back and we greeted you.
Exactly, we greeted you. Ma, please, I have the orientation that doesn't permit me to talk to strangers, especially on the road.
Ow!
Jesus!
Mama, why would you slap her now?
You are very stupid. Who do you think you're talking to like that? Who?
Madam,
If you do not shut up right now, I will slap you. Listen, go and ask about me. Ask about Glory Michael. So you know me, I do not tolerate nonsense from anybody. Do you understand?
But what did I do to deserve this slap? I greeted you. What did I do wrong?
Mother's an assault on her person.
It was not an assault. It was me teaching her a lesson because I'm quite sure her mother never trained her very well. Now, before I open my eyes,
You both have disappeared from my sight right now. Get out! Get out! Jenny, let's go. It's God that will judge you. If I spoil you my shoe now, eh?
I don't understand, but we greeted her, didn't we?
What are you doing?
I didn't even know somebody was there when I passed.
You know me now? She slap you.
Just like that, for no reason.
And she not even beg you.
At least if she had said sorry to me, I would have, forgiven her. She didn't say anything to me.
Well, if I be you, I will forgive and forget that woman because of God.
Even God doesn't forgive anybody unless they come and ask for forgiveness. If you don't ask for forgiveness from God, He will not forgive you. And I'm going to do the same.
Hey, church girl. Kasala dey for this kingdom. Now, wow.
Please, Daddy, I don't even have time for this. Come and open the gate for me. I need to go out.
I dey come.
What are you doing?
I dey do something before I call you. I dey come.
Where are you going to again?
You get what I dey eat when you come. I dey come. Come, Maka, open the gate for you.
My love, the food will soon be ready, and I will feed my sweetheart for the first time.
Oh, I can't wait. Come and sit down here. Now, I have a little suggestion.
Oh, let's hear it.
While the food is cooking, why can't we go to Zia's room and then do some orientation? And some practice, because practice makes perfect. Catch my drift.
My love.
Yes.
Where are you rushing to? I am here on a wholesale basis. You can explore as much as you desire. Come on.
Who told you I was an explorer? How did you know? Come, let me give you a bit of my exploration. Let's go and explore. Let's go.
Yeah, take a miss you. What the quick? Hey.
Be missed how?
I thought she said the man will come by 3 o'clock.
If you're the man, will you wait to take this mouth-watering meat to your house? Impatient, no greedy man.
I don't blame the man, Jare. Hi, and I'm so happy for our friend. Now we'll no longer come here to visit her, but at her husband's house as a Mrs.
Yes. But wait, I was thinking her brother was supposed to move in before she leaves.
Like you said, Mazigwe doesn't have patience for later appointments. He has come to collect what belongs to him quickly. Meanwhile, the brother can move in some other time.
Exactly. So what do we do now?
I think we should call her. Call her to know how she's doing in her newfound love nest.
I think it's too early. Let's leave her to enjoy the outburst of her husband. New relationship, new marriage. You understand?
Adio. Make we no go spoil some moment for some people. God, abeg o, give us our own men. Give us our own man. Give us our own men. God, abeg.
Amen.
Amen o.
Food is ready.
I can see. Oh, let's pray.
Oh.
God, we thank thee for this day, and we thank you for the food before us, and we pray that we'll eat it and then get blessing into us in Jesus' name.
Amen. Bon appetit.
I like that. That's French.
Yes.
Oh.
Pepe.
How come? How come?
I don't understand it. I mean, I didn't add this much pepper.
So who did? Huh?
I don't know. Sorry, my love. Sorry. Maybe I should boil another rice for us.
No. You never boiled rice before. Not to talk another. You boil the pepper and then garnish it with rice.
I don't know.
Oh, come in the fridge.
Oh, maybe.
My love, the food will soon be ready, and I will feed my sweetheart for the first time.
Oh, I can't wait. Come and sit down here. Now, I have a little suggestion.
Oh, let's hear it.
While the food is cooking, why can't we go to the other room and then do some orientation? And some practice, because practice makes perfect. Catch my drift.
My love.
Yes.
Where are you rushing to?
Nowhere.
I am here on a wholesale basis. You can explore as much as you desire. Come on.
Who told you I was an explorer? How did you know? Come, let me give you a bit of my exploration. Let's go and explore. Let's go. No, sit down. Jennifer.
Dad,
Why?
why what?
Did you add pepper to the food Gloria prepared the other day? Did you add anything to it?
Pepe.
Yes, pepper.
I wasn't the one that cooked the food, and I was not there when she was cooking the food, so I don't know anything about the pepper since I didn't cook.
Let me put it this way. Did you add more pepper? Probably when nobody was looking to have food.
Daddy, I'm telling you, I didn't. Wait, is that what she told you? Or you're just trying to jump on my back for information? Is that it? Dad, I didn't add any pepper to any food. It is the person that cooked the food that knows how much pepper she added to the food. So, she's the one you're supposed to be asking this question, and not me. I didn't add any pepper. Maybe she was so excited about moving into this house that she didn't even know when she added more pepper than required into the food.
Did you eat that food?
No, I didn't.
Why not?
Because she didn't give me any food to eat. And she didn't tell me to go to her pot and carry food. And also, I didn't want to trespass or go to her pot because I don't know what her reaction will be.
Jennifer, Gloria is my wife, and by implication, your stepmother.
No. Only when I have given my permission. And the last time I checked, I did not give her the permission to be my stepmother.
Why are you dragging this fight this long?
Because she has not come to me to apologize to me for assaulting me. She has not done that. And you know the worst part? I didn't do anything to her. Yet she assaulted me. Look, Dad, please. When you came out, You saw me going inside. I was going in to prepare something to eat. I've not eaten. So can I go?
You can go.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you.
Why is water not running in the bedroom now? What is going on? Where is Igwe? How can there not be water in the bedroom?
What's happening?
Not even water is not running in the bedroom. Where is your father?
You don't need my father. I can help you put water in the bucket. That's if you want to. That's if you want. Me, it's not like I'm doing it because I want to do it. I can help you put water in the bucket so that you can have your bath.
Go and help me.
Say please, Kwanu. Please, for once in your life.
Jennifer, if you want to help me, help me.
Come and take water.
Hey, Jesus! What's going on? Jesus Christ! No! Jesus Christ! Jesus!
Do you have any balm in your place? Any balm at all?
No, I no get.
Okay. Go and buy me any balm. Menthol, rub. Even calamine lotion, anything. Madam wants to use it.
Oga, wetin madam wan use balm do?
Will you go and buy what I asked you to do?
Okay, sir, okay. Good boy. That's your friend this morning. That's your shoe shine. Your face dey like OLED. I feel you.
Dad, I beg. How are you there now?
Alright, Madam Maggie. Level no well, level no day, level at all. No level. Hungry one keep poor masses for this country. Imagine, this country won't dig our grave. Moku die.
As we no die now, hope still there. Hope still there.
I beg. Hope go day full, chop belly full.
I beg. My brother there for house.
Oga dey. Nah, Madam be like say she know well.
No wahala. Make I go see them.
I beg.
Yeah?
I beg. Dey critical.
Onye?
Brother?
Maggie, bye. Yeah, welcome.
Thank you very much. What's the matter with your wife?
Hey, Auntie Maggie, welcome.
My wife. I heard you're not feeling very well. What happened?
She went to use water from our overhead tank to take her bath. They started itching her. So we just have applied one or two things to stop soothe the itching. That's why she's appearing white.
Hey, yeah. It's such a pity that you got a bad one as a welcome package to our family.
Not a small thing, no. But it is okay. Love takes all things and endures all things.
And it conquers all things too. I came to see you and to welcome you to our family. But it's so unfortunate I'm seeing you in this condition.
Rapid fire, we need to go.
It's okay, man. It's okay.
About
Please, what do we offer you?
It's not necessary. What about your stepdaughter? Is she having it cool with you now?
Auntie, she's not budging, no. She's not. I even suspect that she's behind all the mishaps that I've been facing since I came into this house.
Really? Brother, what are you doing about this whole thing?
What whole thing? What do you expect me to do? I have done everything humanly possible to see if I can bring bridge the gap between these two sides. To no avail. All my reasons in vain. Kevin gave me, I will just do the ones I can do as a human being and leave the rest for God. Augusta.
I do not know Jennifer as this headstrong. Oh. Why is she difficult this time?
Auntie, the hate is too strong. And I do not know what to do about it. Do you know I really want to love this girl as my daughter, but she's not yielding.
Gilon will get stubborn. None of you want to yield. If she and Jenny had agreed to what I said, let us just forget the past and then go, whatever we have to sacrifice, we sacrifice it, so that we can maintain peace. Fajo. Nyawajo. Jennifer Jo. So what do I do?
Please, don't go there. Oh? I know where you're going with this now. Oh. And you know the hitch. Don't.
Oh.
Whatever it is, gradually, we will resolve the whole thing. And peace will reign again in our family.
Amen.
I pray so.
Amen.
I pray so. Auntie, are you still saying you do not want any kola nut from us?
Get me anything you have in there.
Don't worry. Let me go and get her something to drink.
Brother?
Huh? Oh, wait a minute.
Hey! Have I not told you to not sit on that seat any longer? Why are you looking for my trouble?
Sorry, ma. It won't happen again.
That.
Good afternoon. Who na be?
We are here to see your madam.
You know, say una come see am.
She knows that we are coming, just that she doesn't know that we are coming today.
I be say she no know say una dey come now. Una go wait, make I go inside, go tell and say people. But before I go, wetin be una name?
Well, tell her that Pat and Tabitha are here to see her. Yes.
No problem. Make I go.
There, please let them come. Babes, I bet when they come this side.
Oh, baby.
Hot baby.
Surprise.
So both of you finally came to my house without even calling me that you're coming today.
We came to surprise you.
Oh.
You like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
Fair for what now? I am equal to your surprises.
Okay.
Come inside.
Let's go the way. Let's go the way.
Thank you. Wow. Before anything, what do I offer you guys? What would you like to drink?
You know, a good one wouldn't be bad. I can see you're living good here.
My dear.
Seriously.
Not good. Okay, I'll get us a good wine and then we'll catch up. All right?
All right, thank you.
This place is
She's enjoying herself.
Whoa. Thank you. Seriously. Oh my goodness. I trust you.
Okay. This is for you, and this is for you. As the house owner, I shall drink.
House owner. Madam House owner.
Of course.
Just call her Mrs. Igwe.
Okay.
That is right. That is right. You're welcome.
Thank you.
My babies came to my house.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Pour me some wine, girl.
Okay.
Yeah. You're really having fun here.
Yes.
And
To good friendship.
exactly.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Woo!
Oh yeah.
My bum. Something is in my bum. Something is in my bum. I need to pay for.
It's an office thing.
Hey. Sorry. What this girl is now?
An office thing. Get to the seat.
Sorry. Why are you this careless? No, it's not carelessness. So it's not. It can't be. Oh, my enemies. Oh, my enemies. I suspect that evil girl. She's behind this thing because I reprimanded her for sitting on my special seat before you guys came in. So she did this to pepper me. I'm sure.
Jesus Christ. Now what fun she gave her so?
To have two masters is to have none.
Jenny, how is it going?
You see, Benny, I'm giving this woman big time. You know what they call woto? I'm giving it to her back to back. She's not understanding my ways at all. Her body is cooperating, but she's still adamant.
Jenny, you're the most stubborn person I've known. But you see that woman? She's more stubborn. She's qualified for the title of the unbreakable.
See, let me tell you, by the time I deal with her progressively, hey, she will not only break, she will bend. She will scatter. Just wait for me when I'm done.
You, Seth, are you the anonymous? Don't you know how to forgive and forget?
My dear Benny, even God himself will never forgive you if you don't come and ask for forgiveness. That's what I'm doing. I'm following the footsteps of my Lord. Let her come, kneel down and apologize to me, and I'll forgive her.
The woman said she doesn't want to come and ask forgiveness. Just sorry.
See,
sorry.
Don't worry. She doesn't know that the longer it takes for her to come and ask for forgiveness for assaulting me for no reason, the bitter it gets for her.
Mama, I'm feeling sorry for the woman right now. But wait, how is your dad coping with the fire?
It's just there, stuck in between the firing points. But see, each time I remember that unwarranted slap that I got from that lady, God, I feel humiliated and abused. And I demand for an apology, but she doesn't want to give it to me. And I'm waiting for the day. I'm waiting for it.
I agree with you. Because people like that are supposed to be trimmed and put in the right places. Because if not, they keep trampling on the rights of others that are not capable at all to fight justice.
Let me tell you, I am not relenting anytime soon. See, after my encounter with her, she will learn to respect everybody's rights, no matter how low they seem to be in the society. Let her just wait for me when I'm done with her.
She's gonna learn.
She's gonna learn.
She's gonna learn the hard way.
which I have here is that you don't have any evidence against her. Anything you say, she will deny it. Just get me an evidence so that I will know, I will lay it bare before her, and then she will know that she's at fault. But there's no evidence.
So, I am the loser now, right?
No. Don't be emotional about this. Don't bring emotions into it. I love two people. I love my daughter. I love my wife. But one is accusing the other, or the other is accusing one. I need an evidence to do this thing. Anything you place before her now, she's going to deny it.
I've seen clearly that you do not want to do anything to hurt your daughter.
Oh, Gloria.
Yet I'm here suffering over all her wicked acts towards me. Pepper in my food, itching all over my body, a pain in my buttocks. I am the one feeling all the pain. That is why you're so reluctant to do anything. No problem.
Gee, you're not making these things easy for me. Neither of you is making this thing easy for me. Get me just an evidence and I will tell her this is what we have done. This is so and so and so and so. And she will see it clearly. Please.
Okay. You want a solid evidence, right?
Yes, just one.
No problem. I will get it for you soon.
Don't be angry now. We're talking this thing smoothly.
Sorry, I don't understand, Ma. Why did you snatch the phone away from me?
You think you're tough and smart, right? You think you can do all that you're doing to me and go scot-free. Abby?
I still don't understand. What have I done?
You think I do not know that you have been the one behind all the mishaps I've been facing since I came into this house? The pepper in the rice that I carefully cooked myself. The itching all over my body after I bathed with the water you fetched for me. The pain in my buttocks. You think I do not know that it has always been you?
Ma, to be honest with you, I don't know. I don't know anything about these things you just mentioned. I've never heard about them. Yes. And about the water. I got affected too. Yes. Is it the other things you mentioned? Maybe you have a spiritual problem and you need a man of God, but instead of meeting a man of God peacefully, you want to put it on me. I don't understand.
Oh well. If you think that I, Glory, will bow to your whims, that means you do not know me very well.
This is obviously a case of the innocent millipede and the one who stepped on it. I didn't do anything to you. And look, I need to let you know that I only respect you because you're my father's wife. Look at this one. You humiliated me. You slapped me. You did all of that because you thought you can subdue me. And now you've come to my father's house to disturb me. What have I done? Just leave me alone already.
Listen, I have moved into this house to live and enjoy my life. 1,000 of you cannot deter me from living my life to the fullest with my husband. You were just a little fly to me, alright? If you do not want me to destroy you, just be careful around me and stay away from me. Do you understand?
I've heard you. Please, can I have my phone now?
Useless girl. Take your useless phone.
Wait, I dey hear person voice. What did they happen? As a person they cry.
I don't know. It's like it's your madam. She fell down. Go and check up on her. Maybe she wounded.
You mean where she dey?
At the backyard.
Madam, what happened? Sorry, oh.
It's Jennifer. Oh, Jennifer.
Jennifer, what?
Jennifer threw a rubber snake at me.
Ah.
I didn't know it was a rubber snake. As I was trying to run away from it, I tripped and hurt my leg.
Rubber snake, pa. Where did snake run go?
Wrong, Ke. I just said it was a rubber snake, Dede. Just, please.
Madam, sorry. Why you can't come here now? You did the other side. Now why you run come here? Huh? And other no day for house making carry you go hospital now. I make her help you.
Just help me, please help me. Ha, Jennifer.
Hey, madam, you help me small. Sorry, no.
Come, Daddy. Where's my wife and what's wrong with her?
You be like say she break leg.
Break leg?
Yes.
How? Where? When?
Okay, you say that Jen use the snake harass him. As she wonder now she break leg. Now she say ma come for the make carry and go out.
Which kind wahala be this? What is this nonsense? Eh? What is this nonsense?
Oh, give me.
My husband, oh. Hey! My husband, oh. My leg, oh. She has killed me, oh. My leg is broken.
It's not broken, it's just a sprain. It's just sprain. How did it happen?
Jennifer. Jennifer wants to kill me for my husband, oh. Jennifer, she threw a rubber snake at me. I did not know it was a rubber snake. As I was trying to run away from the snake, I now tripped and fell. I sprained my ankle. I could not even stand up. Hey.
Sorry, it's just sprain, just like I said. You know, first thing first. I think first thing is to take you to the hospital where you're going to receive treatment. Then when I come home, I'm going to deal with Jenny.
Do you know the worst part of it?
Yes.
Jennifer left me there on the floor in pains. If not that day they came to help me, I would have still been there or I would have died by now.
How did this animosity go to this? You people come first. Let us go to the hospital.
Oh, Jennifer.
Easy. Just easy.
I.
Just take it.
Oh,
yes. Can you see what I Why is this thing I thought is just a very small case? And you people are just pushing it to this level.
It wasn't a small case, so she wants to kill me, oh. She wants to kill me, oh. Hey. Ooh.
Let's go. Easy. Hey. Easy. Don't worry. Just keep making it. Just take it easy. We'll just get through it.
Hey. You don't need to carry on. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
What is good about this afternoon? Or even the entire day? What?
At least we're alive in the land of the living. That's something to be grateful for. I mean, that's what's good about today.
What is wrong with you, Jennifer? What?
Am I expected to answer that question?
Yes, you are expected to. Why do you purposely want to make the ending part of my life miserable? Why do you want you to keep me miserable during my old age? Why?
Penny, I didn't do anything. And you're my father. I love you so much. I can't do anything to hurt you. What did I do this time?
Okay. Who is Gloria? If I may ask.
She's your wife by marriage.
Good. And partners who have come together like that, how do you quantify them?
That's one. I mean, according to the Bible.
Good. That's intelligent. Now, you have admitted that I and Glory are one.
One, according to God's ordinance.
Yes. So if you do anything to Glory, you have done the same thing to me.
Dad, look, I need you to understand that this problem I'm having with Mrs. Glory, it doesn't have anything to do with you. You were not even there when it happened. You were not involved. At that time, you never knew who she was. So, you understand? And I'm not trying to fight her. I'm not even fighting her as your wife. Never. I'm fighting her as a woman who tried to demean and dehumanize me because she thought I was a nobody. Yes, that this fight is not just for me. It's not just for me. It's for other people out there who are not capable of fighting for themselves.
So, you have to make me lose money. That sum of money. Just to prove your case.
Dad, please, don't add emotional blackmail to this whole thing. Don't be emotional. Mrs. Glory, who happens to be your wife, humiliated me in the past and refused to apologize. That's what's making me angry. She refused to apologize to me for being wicked to me. Is that fair? After humiliating me, slapping me, assaulting me. Dad.
Jennifer, I am sorry for whatever she must have done to you in the past. But she's there in the hospital, rolling in pains, just because you have given her one of your bloodiest attacks.
Look, Dad, I don't want any apology from you. This problem I'm having is not your fault. You didn't offend me in any way. And the offense we're talking about, it didn't even come from your house or happen in your house. So, you're not supposed to be apologizing to me. You're my father, and I know that you cannot do anything to hurt me. Yes.
Jennifer, I want you to go to the hospital and see her.
Never. Dad, me, go to the hospital to do what? Say sorry to her. No, I would never do that until she admits that she offended me and she apologizes to me. I will never do anything to please her or make her happy.
What is this? Why are you so stolid? I, your father, pleading with you since. I said soften your mind and you are saying you are refusing.
See, Daddy, I'm sorry for the disobedience, but I can't do what you're asking me to do. I can't do it. Look, this is not your fight. This fight between me and Mrs. Glory does not concern you. So please. In fact, I want to go inside. Can I go inside?
You don't have to go inside. Look, let me tell you. To hell with you. Jennifer, you can go anywhere you like, but I'm telling you, I'm going to hold you responsible for anything that happens to Glory. And when I take it,
Welcome. How you doing?
I did fine. My brother dey house.
Oga dey o. Only madam go hospital. She break leg.
What about Jennifer?
Jennifer don't come out, go in friend house. And she even caused the problem where madam take go hospital.
I heard about it and that's why I'm here. Let me go and see my brother.
I beg, go. I beg, go see. Today critical.
monsters is to have none at all.
Maggie, bye.
Brother,
How are you?
I'm fine. How's your wife?
My wife is still in the hospital, like you know now. Not from me,
The food for you.
I did. He must have seen my Ayesha, she who must be obeyed, said she's not going to enter the kitchen to cook anything for Gloria, unless Gloria apologizes. And Gloria said over her dead body, so I'm at the center.
What type of girl is this little girl now? Can she forgive?
Oh no, I brought a little girl. This is a little toffee. My wife is a little toffee. All of them. I'm not complaining anyway.
Brother, since you said you're going to the hospital, so let me go with you now.
You go to Gaba. In no time, I can show you all these things. In fact, I'm going to be doing special cooking for you. I'll prepare special dish for you.
Thank you, my darling.
All right, yeah. I hope you're with the drugs, your drugs.
Yes,
It's in the bag. Okay. What are your drugs? Okay, the bag.
So he will bring it.
Daddy!
Yes, she's my elder sister. I'm handling her business. This is my first time visiting her here.
Even now your elder sister.
Of course.
You know say you dey come.
Yes, I called her before coming.
Now you go wait, make I go tell and say your younger brother can't see him now. Now you go wait for me here, I dey come.
No problem. Please hurry.
Come. Did she welcome you? Did she respond to your greetings?
No.
My daughter, of course, now. Is there another person?
That's an impossibility. She came out, took a long, steady stare at me, and walked into the kitchen to get water. Returned, and walked into her room.
What is wrong with Jennifer? What is wrong? Jennifer is not used to being this very headstrong. What changed her?
My love, I thought you brought this drink for us to celebrate my home.
Sorry, my dear. Let me get the glasses.
Okay.
Okay? Thanks for reminding me.
Sister Gloria.
Kelvin. Hey, don't match me.
How are you feeling? Good afternoon, sir.
Kevin.
Ogo, good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down.
Welcome.
I rushed to the hospital. They said you have been discharged. So I decided to rush in here to know how my sister is feeling.
You did well, thank you. As you can see, I'm getting better with the support of the clutch. But the doctor said I'll be fine.
I did more than the clutch. I was the major supporter.
Yes.
Come, we don't have to sit down here and begin to gloat over this very thing and the pleasantries and everything. This thing is for us to celebrate you coming back from the hospital. But do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So are you still, I should leave it until you
No,
To have two masters is to have none at all. You just give them half, you don't give
Like, Benny, the wound is very serious. Do you know that this woman is now working with clutches? She has a bandage on her leg. And still, she doesn't want to apologize to me. She's still adamant.
Gigi now, don't you think that this battle should be abated and also shaded? You've gotten your revenge enough. You kill your daddy's wife.
Look, I don't chronically hate this woman like that. I don't hate her. The only thing I'm asking for is an apology. I am fighting for myself and every downtrodden in the society. She should just apologize to me. Okay, just imagine, I was slapped the other day. What if it was someone else? Someone that cannot fight for him or herself? What do you think will happen?
I feel for your dad. He's stuck in between the two firing line of your wars. I know you love him so much and you wouldn't want him to get hurt.
I do. And I've told him this constantly. I've told him this before.
I know I'm with you, okay? I'm with you on this cause you're fighting. But Jenny now, the lesson have been learned and the message passed.
Benny, the message may have been passed. I believe that. But you see, that woman, she has not learned her lessons. Because why would she still be adamant about it? She has not tendered the demanded apology. Yes, she has not. See, unless she apologizes to me, I will not stop. I will not stop it.
Well, I'll be here and waiting and watching as well. Let us see how the campaign ends.
Yes, you will see it. It will end in the favor of me and every other downtrodden in the society. That's what I see. See, don't worry yourself about that woman. She doesn't deserve all this beating.
You will kill that woman. No?
She will not die. She will not die. She will not die.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oh, wow. This is the way you come out like this. You get what I go do for you.
No. I'm just putting my leg to work for faster healing. Yes, sir.
I hope that the thing they heal small.
Yes, so very soon I'll drop the clutch.
Thank God.
Yes.
Thank God. Hey, wow.
Have you seen her today?
Who be her?
Jennifer now.
Oh. Nah, since morning she come out this place. But since then, never come back. Yeah.
Okay.
Madam, I heard say she do this thing for your leg.
Daddy.
Yeah?
She dey skip sometimes.
No.
Were you not there the day it happened?
Oh, madam, I wasn't I wasn't there. Now after the whole thing don't happen, I me run, come help you, carry you go inside. You don't forget.
Daddy, I remember clearly that I told you what happened when you came to help me.
Madam, what happened? Sorry, oh.
It's Jennifer. Oh, Jennifer.
Jennifer, what?
Jennifer threw a rubber snake at me. I didn't know it was a rubber snake. As I was trying to run away from it, I tripped and hurt my leg.
Rubber snake, pa. Where did snake run go?
Wrong, care. I just said it was a rubber snake, Daddy. Just, please.
Madam, sorry. Why you can't come here now? You did the other side. Now why you run come here? Huh? And other no day for house making carry you go hospital now. Oh yeah, make her help you.
Just help me, please help me. Jennifer.
Hey, madam, you help me small. Oh yeah. Sorry, madam. I remember say he tell me say na snake, na rubber snake, na him use pursue you. But me I ask am more. Say na lie, say na you dey lie against her.
Well, I knew that's what she would tell people.
Madam, no be people. No only me and her dey here. We should talk am. No be people she tell.
Okay, just forget about it. The truth will always come out, yeah?
Right. Sorry, oh.
Thank you.
Who be that? Welcome.
Thank you, Dede. Hope my friend is in the house.
Nana, she just come out. She dey train her broken leg.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. She go dey backyard. We go there, go see him.
All right, thank you.
Idiot. No worry. Now your opportunity to yab me anyhow. Enjoy. Just enjoy, yeah? But very soon, I will bounce back to my normal beat and I will show you Pepe.
You know if you do me anything. Eh? But, Bebo, you're really improving. It won't be long you bounce back to your normal self.
I can't wait, honestly. I can't wait. This one you did not call me before you landed.
Surprise for you. Abby, you know they like surprise.
I like oh.
Well, I say make I can't help you do those things where you know go fit do for house. I know now, your Madam Tacha, she know they fit do anything. And then your husband, I'm sure he must have been too stressed up.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
so much for this kind gesture. I appreciate, all right? Thank you.
So, where can I start from?
Won't you rest first before you start?
Rest.
Yes, now.
I didn't come here to rest. I came here to help you do those things you can't be able to do for yourself.
Hey.
So let's start already because I have other appointments, you know.
Iron lady.
You know me.
Thank
now.
you.
Always on the move.
Thank you.
sorry.
Oh.
Let me help you. Sorry. Just small, eh?
I can't wait to bounce back.
You will.
What are you doing?
I had to.
What were you doing?
Yes, Jenny. Let me run along right now, cause you know how you be now, my mom.
Yes. You even tried for me. We're almost there. And you can go back now so that they won't scold you.
Okay. Yes. Hey, take it easy on your father's wife.
And one. As long as she doesn't apologize to me, I will not take it easy. She doesn't have a problem. She should just come to me and say sorry. Sorry is all I need.
Jenny. You're a strong girl, though.
And I'll be going home. Bye-bye.
And treat her with your iron fist.
Bye.
To have two masters is to have none at all. You just give them half.
So, she doesn't help you to do the house chores.
For me alone, no. But for the family, she does as little as she feels to do.
You know, I was talking with Tabitha the other day, and we talked about this, your strained relationship with your husband's daughter. Babe, I think it's high time you end this war.
Babe, I appreciate both of you always standing by me in everything. But as far as that little girl is concerned, she can never get it over me. I will never bow to her whim. I mean, I am the woman of this house. This is my husband's house.
And her father's house. See, babe, if you keep this war going, you may never enjoy your marriage. I'm telling you. See, what is the essence of marriage if there is no peace in it? If you cannot have peace in it?
Pat, please. Let's just focus on the help you have come to render to me and forget about that insignificant human being that wants to make herself relevant in my life. Please, yeah? Don't worry. Let's just focus, all right? You know we have to still cook after washing these clothes. Yeah?
Okay, I've said my own. You know I will not force you to make peace.
To have two masters is to have none at all. You just give them half, you don't give them your all. It's like between the devil and the deep blue sea. Oh, you could face fire, you could face something worse. You might just get hurt or get stuck in the mud. It's like between the devil and the deep blue sea. Oh, oh, oh.
Again,
What is this?
drink, hot drink.
When did you learn how to get drunk like this?
Look, I just wanted to help you people. You people want to send me to the great beyond. And I decided to quicken it and help you and then drink myself silly. Is it wrong? Keep that drink, oh, keep it.
We started. Is that why you want to harm yourself with alcohol?
Hey, you people are harming me with your stubbornness. I said, let me be happy. You people don't want me to be happy. Now, I want to use this drink to be happy. Keep it. I haven't started taking it. I can now.
You are not serious at all.
Come, better bring that drink, oh. I haven't even started. This one, I will go and buy another one if you don't do it. You hear me? G. She thinks I'm drunk. I think this one will work. I hope it works, and I know it is going to work. Bring that drink back, oh. She thinks I'm drunk.
Jenny,
What is it?
Please come.
Why?
I want to talk to you.
I don't understand. Why do you want to talk to me?
Jenny, please. Come and sit. Please.
I beg you. I'm not doing this because of you. I've been waiting for you to say a word. I have more important things to do. So please be quick.
I'm sorry.
Ma?
I said I'm sorry for offending you.
You've come with one of those tricks, you trick me into, doing something that I don't want to do. That's what you want to do. Please, if this is a prank, tell me, let me leave this place.
No. I sincerely apologize for the hurt I caused you. I have learned that pride yields nothing but calamities. I am ready to make it up to you. Please, forgive me and let's be friends. Please.
I forgive you. This is all I wanted. I just wanted you to say sorry to me. You don't even have to say any other thing.
JJ, I love you. And I promise never to hurt you again. I'll take advantage of the less privileged. Sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything that I've done to you. Your leg and every other thing. And from today, I accept you. Not just as my stepmother, but as my mom. And I will give you the due respect as my mother. All I want you to know is I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
You know, there is a saying that when two elephants fight, it is the grass that suffers. And in this case, I have been the grass. Suffering, emotional suffering, all kinds of torture, physical torture. But you may not know it. Well, for all the traumas I have gone through from both of you, these are two people I love in my life. One on the left, one on the right, me in the middle. What do you think would happen to you if you were in my position? I died by inches because there was nothing I could do. But you people are going to apologize to me because I went through a lot myself. In any case, I'm happy my gambit worked because without it, we wouldn't have this situation.
Gambit?
Yes, you know, you thought I was drinking or quaffing alcohol when you met me outside there. I wasn't drinking. In fact, I didn't even test the spirit at all. I just had to reduce the volume so that I can get you convinced and therefore result to what I am seeing now. So, it is a work of God. But like I said, I still demand an apology.
I'm really sorry. I mean, I caused this whole thing. Please, I didn't know it would affect you. You know I wouldn't deliberately do anything to affect you. Please forgive me.
My husband. My husband.
Easy.
Easy, my darling wife.
Odogum, I sincerely apologize for letting my pride and ego trick me into thinking that I could escape penance for my action. I thought I could subdue JENIFER with my stubbornness. But then I became the one who suffered the pain and the absence of peace in my home. I'm sorry.
That's okay. My darling wife, you know, since I lost my late wife, I have never loved any other woman the way I love you. I've never got into any other relationship until I found you and I fell madly in love with you. I'm crazy about you. So, tears shed, all things gone. I think this calls for celebration. Okay? So, I want you people to prepare, go prepare. I'll take you out.
No, Dad. I think we should celebrate in this house.
Well, nice suggestion. So let me go then and then get some nice food.
No. I also think I'll cook because Mom has never tasted my food before and I would like her to taste it.
No, I haven't.
Oh, God be blessed. You see, this is the happiest moment of my life now, when I'm holding my two loved ones. There is nothing that will bring me happiness. Well, in that case, while you people are preparing the dish, I'll run around and get the wine to celebrate. Because without wine, there's no celebration. So, I adore you. I adore the two of you, the both of you so much.